Okay, so we kind of created, again, this is fantasy plant, and it's whatever you feel like creating, you can add any other details. So next, what I want to do, I want to add some kind of whiskers, almost maybe going around with some lighting. So for this one, again, I'm going to create another segment. And just we'll call whiskers. Let's change to something different color. Okay, and we'll go connect this to new child to our root. Okay, and a root right here, let's modify. So first, I want them tons of small ones going around. So I think the 12 will be good. Okay, you can change amount. We can add randomness again because SteamPunk, it's kind of dwarfs maybe created, so they're all same amount must have it. And I want to bring this little bit higher, so we'll go 0.9. Okay, I think this will bring all about the same of them. Okay, 30 about right. So let's go ahead and set them around maybe plus minus 5. Okay, we can change slightly them again. If it's 12, we can even probably put it some 10. We'll have it half. 24. So we can position and see which one will work the best. Okay, so let's just put it 30 and make it equal for the 12, so it's easy that way. The next, let's go inside Whiskers itself, and we'll go to modify right here. So the one linked about right, except right here I want user define, and I want to set this quite a bit thinner, so let's go set 1. Okay, and same things on the end, we can just take it in, make it kind of thin right here, so almost spikes. Add a trapezium to this, so let's go ahead, maybe add about 7, 8. We'll try this way. Again, let's bring them down, and now I want to bring them up, so it will be doing different. Let's go add one right here. Okay, bring this all the way down, so the minus. Okay, and we'll take this end and bring even more down. So here's one thing created, but I want them kind of maybe turn in, so the twisted inside. Okay, for this one we actually need to go inside the influence. Okay, and we're using curl, so let's go to local maze. Second. Okay, we'll go and select the curl. Okay, and the curl, we want to set Z 0.1, so very small. Let's put it string 6. Okay, 5, and even its curl kind of a lot right now. With the filters, we can apply on which end I want them to curl. So I can go ahead, maybe select a few points, and take some points down. You can see it's kind of start uncurling in those places. So maybe bring these ones. Okay, a little bit down. Put it equal. Yeah, right here I need to bring a little bit more high. So you kind of start working and seeing like right here it's going underground. So let me bring them little bit up. Okay, so I can manipulate with a curl. And again, this is start from point of the beginning. 0 is when no apply. This is opposite curl, and this is other positive curl. So right here, imagine we applied half of this way, so we go half radius down. Next, we're going straight, almost no curl at all right here, just very slightly. And right here we apply all the way. So if you want, you can also uncurl even more on the end, so let's make straight up. But I probably will keep it this way right now. Okay, next it will be interesting to maybe put it some points on the end. Before doing this, let's go ahead and add materials, because right now it's a root material. So I'm going to segment. I don't care about cop, it will be too small. So we'll open here, map it image. Okay, let's go load it. And again, I'm loading from the library, and if you purchase, you should have it, all of this available for you. Okay, we'll go open right here, and let's go set this second. Okay, I'm going to reflections, pop-up reflections on this, and go inside the effects tab, and be sure this one color reflected set all the way to metallic. In this case, we have it nice. We also leave this as object parametric. Let's click OK. So right here we have our plan kind of done with metallic, a little bit spikes. We'll see if I want to rework on that one or not. The other things, I could probably just add a small glowing points on the end just to make more sci-fi. And I'm looking forward when I start rendering this plan. How do I want to bring attention? So this probably center will be a little bit glowing. That metallic with reflection look nice. We have the roots, and maybe just teeny tiny small points of glowing just on the end, like almost drops. So for these ones, we can go easy, create geometry, take the ball and add ball to the whisker. Okay, inside the whisker, we need to take this ball and place it right here on the top of the segment. Be sure we select this to the 0, so angle is 0, so it will be exactly on the end. Okay, and then next, obviously right now this is a little bit a large size, so we want to take radius and decrease quite a bit. Okay, right here you can see we kind of done, so we have those teeny tiny rubber balls right here. Okay, let's go on material, and material actually, let's preload it maybe diamond as well. Okay, I want to go open this material. We'll go inside the transparency, take them, add murky, reduce a little bit glowing, and now we'll go inside the effects tab, and I want to add luminosity for this, and pop up a little bit more on ambient and diffuse light. So this will add some glowing effect to our points. Okay, let's click OK. Okay, next, till we're doing this material, let's go to this crystal main. Okay, we'll go open material as well. Let's go in transparency, same things. And if you ever create some other crystals, I recommend for you to maybe use a special material. We can create crystal effect or some other interesting. Okay, and be sure it's set world standard so it will match very nicely with other ones. Refraction, maybe a little bit too high. Let me just drop slightly. Refraction index, and same things. We'll go to effects, and inside effects we want to pop up luminosity. Let's add ambient light and diffuse. I want to add some reflection a little bit to this, so it will have a little bit more in the reflection. Just slightly go to the reflected, maybe 73. Let's go inside the reflection here and bring reflection up. I know with the glass and everything, it will create a very interesting, maybe just a little bit less, very interesting effect with the glass and glowing. So let's have this kind of almost like magical effect. Okay, let's zoom out. And I think our roots actually does not have any material. So we'll go inside the material and we'll just go to the barks and apply oak bark. One thing, be sure when you apply this bark, let's open for edit, it will apply as object parametric, and I do recommend reduce the scale on that one, so it's a look more interesting, kind of more natural look in this way. Okay, so right here we kind of finished creating our plant. I do recommend for you to check other tutorials to see how you can go and connect this plant maybe to the age, health, and other. It's how done in another preview in another tutorials, but overall here we're done. So let's go. We can take a sun, take it a little bit down right here. Let's go to previews. Okay, and just going can render and see. Again, this is not a view, this is just the preview inside the producer. Okay, so right here is our plan, and thank you for watching this tutorial from Geekatplay Studio. Please remember, visit us on the web is www.geekatplay.com.